Welcome, it's Liam again. Today I'll show you how to create a new persona in ProductGo. First, choose the type of persona you want to create. You can select from global, project, or portfolio personas. Next, decide whether to start from scratch or use one of our available templates. If you choose to start with a template, pick from our diverse options. You can easily customize each component by making edits, or add more components by dragging and dropping them into the persona. Starting from scratch is just as simple. Drag and drop the components, organize them on the persona, and edit each one until it matches your user profile. To change the theme color of your persona, use the Theme option. You can pick from our available themes or choose your own custom color. You can make edits to content or the size of each component of the persona. For the avatar, choose from our available ones or use your custom images. Click Preview to see how your persona will look after you've finished your edits. Once you're satisfied, click Save to save the persona. You can export your persona as an image or save it as a template for later use. Your custom templates will be available in the Custom section on the Template Selection page. And that's it! You've successfully created your user persona in ProductGo. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.